What's going on, guys? K&N Speed Industry here, and today is a special day because we're going to be working on this A90 Mark V Supra. Now, we are actually doing a ton of stuff on this car. Right now, Tommy is already working on the car, getting a TMS Flex fuel kit installed, and he actually got a Femto ECU unlock and getting a tune from us as well. So we are doing a ton of stuff, including a downpipe and an HKS Catback exhaust, and also an armaspeed intake. But later next week, we're going to be installing a set of Olin coilovers with various top hats. So this car is going through a big change, and we're very excited for it. So we're going to be documenting that, and you guys are going to follow us as we go through that process. So with that, let's get to work on the Supra. So what we did was we got the TMS Flex fuel kit installed, a high flow catted downpipe, the HKS high power dual exit exhaust, and an armaspeed intake. So the car should be pushing around 450 wheel to 500 wheel horsepower after the tune is said and done. And we actually helped the customer get the tune and the ECU unlocked. So if you guys actually want your ECU unlocked, hit us up because we could actually help you out. It's actually one of the new features that we have on our website now. But stay tuned for the next episode while we work on this Toyota Supra. We're going to be installing a full set of Olin coilovers and various top hats. So I'm super excited about that because the car already looks good as is, but it's going to look even better and handle way better with the new coilovers. So with that, guys, we'll see you in the next video.